everyone. Welcome back to the Davis at Home. We're super grateful to be back for another episode. We've been pretty healthy, fingers crossed so far. So I'm so excited to come and share with you all updates of our new home. I hope you enjoyed the tips from our previous episodes on the mortgage approval process and whatnot. If you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Share this video or our previous videos with your friends and family. We really appreciate it, and we hope that it's helpful for people out there who are going through our journey. So in today's video, I know it's a little distracting here, but
these kids, like, they decide that today they want to be a part of the whole thing.
We've got Jaden up there and then my little helper over here.
And I also guess Gavin doesn't want to play the Nintendo Switch because it's finished charging.
But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to share an update of what our living room looks like after we took down our Christmas decor. We know we haven't shared much of parts of the other parts of the house. It looks like I said so many parts, but we're going to go down to the basement. We made it functional for the family. We really enjoy it now. We can do movie nights down there and stuff like that. So we're going to share with you what we've done so far to the basement. So we're going to start down in the basement and show you what we've done so far, and then we'll work our way up. So come on. All right, go downstairs.
Little Miss Ina always want to be part of it.
All right. So this is the basement so far. These sofas, we got them a long time ago, and it was Ashley's choice.
5 years ago.
Probably 5 years ago.
Oh, 6 years.
Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, we had it in our basement in our old house. We had them in our living room in our apartment.
Yes, this, if everyone has seen, I can't remember which video it was, but where I said that I wanted to bring these upstairs into our main family room, and Mrs. Davis said no. So
yes, and I think it's best. Don't you think it's best that we brought it down there?
No, the chairs, like, which chairs, you know, look at this. Like, you have touch screen, it has massage thing on there, it has heated seats, you even have cup holder cooler and light for the cup holders. But she don't want that in the living room.
I think it would have been a bad idea. But yeah, like he showed you, we have a lot of functions down here, so it's pretty nice for us to come down and chill, just relax. You know, Friday nights we like to just hang out here and have a family movie night. And Ashley was nice enough to do some projector things here for
nice
us.
Enough.
What?
What do you mean nice enough?
Yeah, so anyway, tell them about it.
Okay, so this is the projector screen. This is an old one as well, from like 5 years ago. Probably, or so.
Yeah.
But this was a what do you call it?
Upgrade.
Yeah, I guess you can call it upgrade. We had to pay for it, basically. You know, you can.
The projector.
No, the plug. Sorry. But like when you're building a house, like, you can pay for extra plug sockets. So I said to them that I wanted a plug socket in the ceiling. So we had to pay, like, I think it was like, I don't remember, it's extra $250 or something like that.
Really?
Yeah, for each plug socket.
Wow.
But this projector screen, let me tell you something. Any people out there that think that putting projector screen on a ceiling is easy, it's not. Like, I've never had such trouble in my life dealing with this thing.
Really?
Oh my gosh. Like, and you know, when you're trying to do something and then you're getting frustrated, then you start to sweat, and then your hands are getting sweaty. So I'm trying to hold the screws and it's slipping out my hands. Then the kids come down, Daddy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah.
So yeah, this was a mission.
Like in the old house, we had like a little table here that we just put
Yeah.
the projector thing on there. But I guess you wanted to be fancy and put it up.
Yeah,
Not
more
knowing.
fool me,
Yeah.
fool me, because I next time I'll pay for a professional, because even to line up the screen to make sure that it lines up in the screen correctly and stuff, it was a challenge.
Yeah. And like these things were bought from Amazon. I don't know if we can find the link. Like we said, it was like a while ago that we purchased them.
Yeah, this projector, it they don't sell it in Amazon anymore, but I think Walmart now carries it.
Oh, okay.
But you know, most people, they buy a projector for like $2,000 and stuff. Me, I'm not one of those people. So I look for the cheapest one I could find that had the best reviews, and you're looking at it right now. So this one was about $200 something, and it has built-in speakers as well. So it's very, very good. We'll show some footage of like the picture quality and stuff, and then find the link for it for Walmart. But then the screen, that one was from Amazon. I think it's 100-inch, I think.
Probably, yeah, I think so. I think it sounds just about right. But anyway, he's here telling you guys that he's not one of those. Like, I will tell on him. Ashley believes that you buy cheap, you get cheap. So he usually goes for the most expensive out of everything that he buys. And it's super annoying because he doesn't like to bargain either. And like from where I come from, I have to bargain with everything. So
that's why when it comes to the cars, I send you there and say, you go and talk to them. Because
yeah.
if they tell me the price is this, then that's what I'll pay.
And then he'll like run away and hide somewhere. So he doesn't, nobody can see that. He has a wife who bargains and stuff like that. But I was very surprised because like 5 or 6 years ago when he told me he was getting that projector, I thought he was going to come with a ridiculous amount of money. So when he said it was like 200 and something, I was like, oh yeah, sure, go ahead and buy it. So yeah, and it served us really well. We haven't had any issues. I don't know if we've had.
No.
Yeah, so yeah. And so yeah, we'll link it down below. So anyway, this picture, we got it from an auction. Something that I didn't know was that when a model home is closing out, they
community,
community,
new build community.
New build community is closing out. The model home, the decor and stuff, it goes up for auction. They don't reuse it. And we found out when we were basically building this house, like our sales lady told us about it. And so we didn't win anything on that home. I bid it, but we didn't win anything there. But anyway, a friend of mine sent me a link for another community that was closing out, and they were bidding on the stuff. So we actually won a couple of things. So this was one of them. So if you see that the community is closing out, you can basically go into the model home and basically ask if they're going to put all the stuff on auction, and you can bid and basically win like lots of good stuff that are in the model home to, you know, decorate your house. So yeah, bye. It's I guess she gave up and she's leaving. Bye. So yeah, that's a good way to get good deals and really nice stuff too. So yeah, one of the stuff that we actually were so excited about winning was this pool table. Like Ash is not a fan of a lot of things, but when I showed him that I was bidding on this, he was all up for it. So yeah, it was pretty heavy and we weren't sure, but the good thing about it was they helped us get all the stuff like taken down and put in the car. Like they had people there that were helping. So this was also one of the stuff, and it came with the balls but not like the sticks. So yeah, the kids are always excited to play with their dad, and apparently one day I was out and they played with you and they told me that they won. Is that true?
I let them win.
But yeah, we also have our little exercise area. We have the Peloton here, and I like, even though it has the screen here and stuff, but you know, it's also facing the screen over there. So if we want to basically work on stuff on the computer or whatever, we can do it here. Originally, we were planning on making this room.
No, we still are.
Okay.
It's just this is a temporary situation
Yeah.
right now
Yeah.
because the Peloton we have to have it plugged in, obviously.
Yeah.
But we're planning to do the gym in here.
Yeah.
But the thing is, we need an electrician to put plug sockets.
To put plugs in. So.
And then we want to get like to put like a TV screen
Yeah.
up here
Yeah.
and stuff. So
yeah. So we're not very handy, so it's always has to be somebody that has to come and fix all these stuff. So that's why a lot of things have been delayed. But yeah, this is the basement so far, what we've done. It's not finished yet, but it's a work in progress. I'm gonna.
and then we still have this room to do as well.
Yeah,
over
the
there.
media room, yes. That's also here. I'll take you upstairs. So anyway, after we took out the Christmas decor, I wanted to add some pops of color. And this color in the rug kind of spoke to me. So I went ahead and looked online and found these little pillow covers. I know if you've watched our previous videos, the pillows in here were like blue and kind of cream looking stuff, and Ashley thought it was just bland in here. So I looked for these, and when it came, of course, he was like, oh, and it has that gold in there that you like. But I thought this kind of made the carpet pop. And then I thought these were little, so I got a bigger size for like the bigger pillows. And then these I got from Kirkland's, and I just randomly grabbed them. I didn't even think it would fit in, but I like to have like blankets on me when we're watching TV and stuff. So yeah, these
She gets very cold and the
Yeah.
electric bill sees it too.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's always complaining about how cold I am, but I don't know what it is, but I am so cold. So cold. So yeah, this I don't know if you know this, but I got this from Ashley Furniture.
Really?
I did.
We said that we were never buying from them again.
I know, but then I was looking for like a teal looking
Wow.
vase, and it did take about 3 weeks. Like when it actually showed up eventually, I had even forgotten that I ordered it. So I'm like so done with Ashley Furniture right now. Like I'm not even, we still haven't received our bed. There's still an issue with Gabrielle's bed. We should probably go there tomorrow and talk to them about that. But this
When is it the bed supposed to come?
it was supposed to come January or February, whatever. We'll find an update. We'll get an update hopefully tomorrow if we go there. But I got a candle over here, and then these were old flowers. They were actually in this little I can't remember what this is called now. Gosh, ginger vase or something. And I kind of switched it up. It's blue and probably doesn't match, but I just thought I would just put it here, and I'm kind of used to it. So yeah, this is all the same. And I added like a little blankie over here and the same pillow here. These little candles I got from Amazon as well. I wanted to add more pops of color. If you watched our previous video, especially the Christmas one, it was like red candles. So I thought, oh, let's get some teal looking one. I actually really like it. And these I got from Kirkland's. This is old, and this was one of the stuff that we won. It was like a 3-piece thing that that came with it. I can't remember, but we haven't put any picture in there. But I wanted to add some greenery in here. We still haven't ironed the curtains. Ashley said he was going to, so whenever he's able to get to it. Oh yeah, but This,
You know, it's not that noticeable. So now you just put people's focus on it.
yeah, people will notice. So remember that little picture frame? It came with this and then some lamps, I believe. So they were all together. I got this from Kirkland's as well. So anyway, this here is just like the white blankie that was over here, and then I just kind of switched it around, and I like how it looks. You let me know what you think, but yeah, this is all the same. This used to be over there. I just kind of played around with it and brought it here just to give it little pops of color. And surprisingly, Ashley said he actually likes it, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
very nice.
he said he likes it, so I'm happy with what I did, especially because I didn't see anything like with Teal stuff anywhere online. So I basically inspired myself, so I'm very proud of myself. Enjoyed this video. Please, like we said, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think about the house so far. We are hoping to share with you the backsplash next week. So say a prayer for us so we can get it done. But yeah, I think that's...
It's just one part of the backsplash.
Yes.
Not...
one part of the backsplash, and then we'll do the review of the kitchen. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I did add a few pieces of decor spring things to the kitchen. So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you as well. So yeah, next week we'll be back to share the backsplash review and a few touches that we've done so far. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe, share, and like, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.